is Karen, and I'm a library specialist for the Headquarters Branch Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to access your library account information from home. To start, you'll want to head over to our library homepage by typing www.aclib.us into your web browser. This web address can also be found on the back of your library card or by searching Alachua County Library District in your preferred web browser. Once there, you will navigate to and click on the white Sign In button that's at the top right corner of your screen. From there, you'll be taken to the Sign In page where you will enter your username or barcode followed by your password to access your account. Your username or barcode is your 14-digit library card number without spaces or dashes. If your card was issued on or before May of 2011, your password is the last 4 digits of your library card number. If your card was issued after May of 2011, then your password is the 4-digit number of your birth year. For example, if you were born on August 5th of 1982, your password would be 1982. To reset a forgotten password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow the instructions. After you have input this information, click Log In to view your account. If you have logged in successfully, you should see your account information as shown here. To check to see what you have checked out on your account, move to the left-hand corner of your screen, and under where it says My Account, click on the link that says Items Out. It will show you everything you have checked out currently, along with the due date. If you are interested in renewing an item you have checked out, click the box next to the item and scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the brown button that says Renew Selected Items. If renewals are available, it will extend the due date of the item for you. If you want to try and renew all of the items checked out to you, instead of clicking on the Renew Selected Items button, you will click Renew All Items. Please keep in mind that items will also automatically renew if you still have renewals left at the end of your borrowing period and no one else has a hold on the requested item. If you have been notified that you have overdue materials or bills, you can get more information by clicking on the Fines and Fees link. There, it will show you what items are outstanding and if you have any bills. Please keep in mind that 5 or more overdue items will block your borrowing privileges as well as having bills totaling $50 or more on your account. And as you can see here, there are no overdue materials, but there is a bill in the amount of $5 for a lost case on the account. To check the status of a host request on your account, click on the link that says Host Request. There it will show you the status of your hold, the hold position, the pickup library, and the format. Please be sure to double check the pickup library and format information to avoid having your items sent to the wrong library branch or receiving an incorrect format of your requested item. To briefly explain the various hold statuses, if you see active status, that means a hold was placed and the item will be searched for when it becomes available. Pending status means the item is available and will be searched for when the next hold report is printed. Inactive status means that the hold will not be searched for until the end of the inactive date or when changed to active status by the patron or a staff member. Ship status means the item is being shipped to the pickup location. Please keep in mind that once the item has been shipped, the item status cannot be modified. Finally, located status means the item is being shipped to the pickup location from the branch it is currently in-house at. If you are interested in keeping track of the materials you check out, you can start a reading history. This feature is only accessible by you, and due to strict privacy laws in the state of Florida, library staff cannot set up your reading history for you. It must be done by you personally. To set it up, click on the link that says My Record and scroll down to where it says Contact Information and Preferences. From there, you will scroll down to the section that says Preferences and check the box next to Maintain Reading History. A box should appear that asks if you're okay with the possibility of law enforcement and other individuals accessing your personal data without your consent. If you are okay with that, hit OK and then click on Submit Change Request that's at the bottom of the screen. Your reading history should now be on.